want it, do you care how I design it?
No, not at all.
Because she said, like a 7, but I want to like take the entire top to bottom.
Yeah,
Like
that's
this.
fine. I trust your expertise.
Okay, cool.
I mean, this is what you do for a living, so.
Yeah.
I hate it when people meddle
Yeah.
with me and I'm like, I know what I'm doing, leave me alone, so.
'Cause-
I'm-
Trust me, I know this working with her.
No, because it's tall, and if it's 14 feet, and if I do the 7, it's just gonna be 7 feet high,
Right,
and it's just gonna have a lot of gap on the top.
No, you got a
Right.
big, you got a
So I
big wall,
feel-
you gotta fill up.
Right, I think it'll just look better.
Yeah. Got a big work, got a big canvas, as we say.
Right, and I'm loving it. I'm like a kid at a candy store.